In today's video, I'm going to review the best microphone you can get for your iPhone. Let's get started. Welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe and turn on your notifications. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like this video. If you're watching this video, you are probably researching and in the market for an external mic for your iPhone. iPhone does a really nice job when it comes to capturing video. And many successful YouTubers, they continue to use their iPhone to film their content. However, when it comes to the audio, the microphone lags a little bit. Not because it's a bad microphone, it simply is too strong and it picks up a lot of background noise that you may not really need in your videos. So I was in the market myself to try to find something that would help me with the videos that I was making for my channel. And I set a budget for $100. Once I looked around, there are limited options available when it comes to microphone with built-in lightning. Out of the several that is available, I landed on the VideoMic Me-L. I'm going to tell you why I like this, but I figured first I will go ahead and get started with an unboxing, and I will also do a sound test so you guys can compare my iPhone XS Max versus this mic. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing first. So this is the VideoMic Me-L, and this is just one of the few available that you can directly attach to your new iPhone using the lightning port. And in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of this directional mic, and I will be doing some sound tests. I will not be comparing this microphone with other microphones, just simply between the iPhone XS Max and the VideoMic Me-L. So let's get started with the unboxing. So the box basically tells us it comes with a 2-year warranty, designed for Apple devices. It has a headphone output jack and no battery is required, which makes it very convenient. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. So we have in the box the mic itself. It's a directional mic with the built-in lightning port, and I'm going to demonstrate how that will fit on an iPhone or iPad. You have your windshields. You're basically going to use this when you are outdoor and you're trying to reduce some of the wind noise, and it's very, very useful. Also, it comes with a clip. The clip, you're really not going to have much use for it, because once you attach this to your iPhone, the lightning port will help it to be secure and it's not going to rotate or swivel. From what I've seen and heard, looks like this clip is not going to be that useful with this version. The VideoMic Me-L, this is the new version of the same mic by Rode Microphone, and the previous version had the standard audio jack, and this is the new one that retails for $79.99 and is readily available from many retailers. I'm going to include some of the links down below so you guys know where you can get it from. Also in the box we have a very simple owner's manual, and nothing really special. This is it. This mic is really easy to use. Once you plug it in, there is no setting required. You don't have to go trying to connect it or pair it with your phone. And as long as your iPhone is unlocked, you just plug it in and you can start using it. It's just that simple. It does not have any LED or lighting indicator on this microphone to really show you that it's working, but you don't have to worry about that, because once you plug it in, it simply works. Now, depending on the type of case you have on your iPhone or iPad, you may or may not be able to directly plug it in, and you may have to take the case off. And I'm gonna show you with a few devices so you know exactly what I mean. So here I have 3 different Apple devices, an iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, and an iPad Pro with 3 different types of cases. And I'm going to show you how this directional mic will fit using these cases on the device. First, I'm going to show you the iPhone 7 Plus. As you can see, I'm using the Apple case with the opening at the bottom. If you have these type of cases, this mic will fit just fine. And obviously, depending on the type of video you're filming, you get to choose the direction of the mic, and you can switch this around without any interruption. If you are using these type of cases that the bottom piece is covered, unfortunately the lightning port is not long enough for it to reach, and you would have to take the case off before you can use it. And same thing on an iPad case. Again, this particular case I have, it has an opening at the bottom, and with these type of cases your mic will fit just fine. Again, you can switch it around depending on what you are filming. And like I said, this mic does not have any LED indicator on to show when it's on or when it's working, but you don't have to worry about it. There is no setting required once you plug it in. As long as your Apple device is unlocked using your passcode, then the device is recognized by your phone or iPad and you are ready to use it. It's just that simple. Next, I'm gonna get to the sound test. So I'm going to show you back-to-back video clips so you can see exactly how the iPhone XS Max is picking up my voice versus using this directional mic. So this is how the iPhone XS Max is picking up my voice without using any external mic. So you can see my volume. As you can hear, there is some background noise or some sort of air in the audio. And I'm gonna be quiet for a few seconds so you can hear exactly what I'm talking about. And this is how VideoMic Me-L is picking up my voice. By the way, I have the camera about 3 feet from me, which is exact same distance as the last test I showed you using only the iPhone XS Max. And you should probably hear that the voice is a lot more clear. You have less air in the audio. And I'm gonna be quiet for a few more seconds so you can see the level of background noise this microphone is picking up. One last thing about this mic, that it has a built-in headphone jack on the back of it. So as you have this plugged into your phone and you are filming, you get to listen and use this as a monitor so you can real time hear what the mic is picking up. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead, hit that like button. It will mean a lot to me. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so when I have new content available, you will be notified. Comment down below if you currently are using this microphone, if you think you're going to get one, if you have any questions for me. Also, if you are using a different type of mic, and let me know what you think about your current setup. And I would love to continue this conversation after this video in the comment section. Thank you so much. Welcome everyone. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. If you enjoy this content, please remember to like this and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like this video.